Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the mobile data not working in your HONOR Magic8 Lite. So the first and the most important thing is that at first you need to make sure that you do have your SIM card inserted. If you do, that's nice. If you don't, you need to at first insert it. So if you do, we need to go to the next step. Go to the settings and now go to the mobile network. Here tap mobile data, and now here, as I can see, I do have them disabled even though I have my SIM card inserted. This is by default, by the way, so just turn on mobile data, tap yes, and make sure that this is enabled. If you had it enabled, disable it and enable it back again. Once done, you should be able to use your Wi-Fi. If you are not, not Wi-Fi, mobile data. If you still are not able to do so, tap APN. Now tap these three dots, reset to default. Now everything should be fine. If it still isn't fine, you need to take yourself this thing. This is the SIM card opener, and a similar one should come with your phone. Put this in here to this hole to take the SIM card out of the phone. Now, as you can see here, we do have the SIM card tray, and to put it out, you need to click it here. Now, as you can see, we have our SIM card out, and take with yourself this, for example, microfiber cloth, and now here wipe the SIM card. Apart from that, ensure the SIM card is properly inserted in the port. So you need to take this SIM card tray and now place it over here, like this. Here, as I can see, we do have this, as I can see, cut, and the same as here. So you need to place it so that it will fit, like I think this. Now you need to hear a little click while putting this in. Wait a moment, here. Now we had this click and now it won't fall out. Now we can put in our SIM card and everything should be fine. If it isn't fine and you still can't use your mobile data, you need to now, wait a moment, I need to reset my settings up. You need to now go to the settings back again, scroll all the way down to the system and updates, tap reset network settings. Reset network settings. While you have your SIM card selected, draw unlock pattern, and reset network settings. Everything should be fine now. If it still isn't, you need to contact the carrier to verify your data plan. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.